how to delete old Facebook account. So if you want to delete your old Facebook account, what you can do is you can head over right here. First, just make sure that you're logged in and then click on the three lines. Click on this gear icon. Then click on this Meta Account Center. From in there, just scroll down and in here, you can see this personal details. Click on this account ownership and control. Then click on this deactivation and deletion. Now just choose your Facebook account. Then click on this delete option right here and click on continue. Now this will also deactivate all your pages. And then you can also just put in here anything that you want. Like for example, I spent too much time, I don't feel safe, I no longer find this useful or anything. So just continue with this one. And then as you can see, it has a precaution of before you delete. So this means, to summarize all of this means that you have 30 days. Your Facebook account will be deactivated first for 30 days. And if you want to cover it, you can just open it and then use it as usual. But if you want to delete it, you don't need or you don't have to open it for 30 days and then it will be deleted permanently. Click on continue right here. Then just enter your password in order to completely delete your account. So that's how you delete old Facebook account. Hope we helped.